Hello everybody, this is Michael from Commando to Yogi. This video is about just bringing some positivity, bringing some joy, bringing some smiles and laughter to us if we're feeling down or if we just want to laugh, why not? Enjoy it please, and don't forget to like, enjoy, don't forget to like and enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe please, share it and enjoy the video. Tell us what you think and tell us if you didn't laugh. And also tell us if you don't laugh, write it in the comments below. Thank you very much, enjoy.
Good morning everybody, it's 6:30 a.m. on this beautiful Sunday morning in England, and I am going to bring another little 5-minute video of some laughter, some morale, some positive vibes. Are you ready? And it doesn't matter, we're just going to be a monkey, we're going to pretend that we're a monkey for a little bit, 5-10 seconds, then the monkey's going to turn into laughter. Pretty simple really. We've all just got to lighten up and just just laugh at everything, the situation or whatever, you know, doesn't matter. Our mind doesn't want us to do things to make us happy, because our ego just wants us to be in this, you know, in this situation of restraint or confusion, or that's where it feeds from, you know. It doesn't want us to be feeling good and have high morale. That's like the whole world nowadays, isn't it? When somebody asks you how are you, and I say, oh, fantastic, and they go, oh wow, what are you so happy about? And I'm like, well, I haven't really got any nothing to be not happy about. It's like this, we've been trained to have this mindset where we should generally have something to moan about each day. And really, bloody hell, how many things can you be grateful for? For one, you listen to me on here, so you've got some bloody handset, you've probably got a roof over your head, you've probably got people that love you, you've probably got clothes, you've probably got money in the bank, you can go buy something. We forget about all these little things and we just go around on a daily basis moaning about stuff. We've got it pretty good. So what we're going to do, we're going to bypass our mind, and we're just going to turn this morning or whatever, however we're feeling, into a little bit of laughter and a little bit of joking. Just be a little bit childlike, okay? So we're going to start off like a monkey. So we're going to go and then we're going to turn it into a bit of laughter. So from monkey to fake laughter, yeah? Then maybe you'll start laughing at yourself, maybe you'll laugh at me. Who cares? One or the other, it's the same. 6 and half a dozen. We're still going to release the endorphins. We're still going to start feeling better. So let's go. From monkey, from monkey to laughing at yourself or laughing at me. Okay, let's go. Monkey to forced laughing. Wake up the monkey, get the hands in there. Come on. Who cares? Who cares that we're all a monkey? Huh? Just making ourselves feel better. Woohoo! Say goodbye, little mind, trying to catch on to things that aren't good. We're just going to laugh through it. Let's go again. And if you're driving around in your car, do whatever, if you see some people next to you, just do the monkey to them. You know, it's funny because laughing just beats everything. So if they look at you and you're being a monkey and they think you're straight, as soon as you start laughing, they'll start laughing anyway. It's contagious. That's the whole point of it. Trying to spread the positivity, guys. Let's go. I'm a monkey. And so are you. And so is him. He's a monkey too. Ooh, monkey for me, monkey for me. Anyway, guys, spread the positivity. It's 4 minutes of your life. We're all about smiling here, guys. There's a lot of confusion or a lot of negativity or whatever going around the world, but at the end of the day, we can all turn ourselves into a positive being and spread some love. So let's do it. Thank you very much and have a lovely day. Woohoo!
And if that didn't work, try this one.
Hello. You know, this morning I feel a little bit down, you know. I don't know why. I was thinking, like it's 5:30 now. I was thinking, is it because I had that twirl last night, chocolate thing? Is it because of this or because of that? And then I was like, well, it doesn't really matter, you know. What can I do right now to change it rather than wasting my energy on that? And I can just laugh, you know. I can just do some laughing yoga and force myself to laugh for a couple of seconds Yeah, so let's go. What can I think of? I don't know, a 5-legged sheep. Okay. Will a 5-legged sheep be faster than a 4-legged sheep? I don't know. Do you? Woo! You should try this with your friends or your family or even on your own. Just do it, just laugh. Eventually you do just laugh and you feel good. Wow. And now, just to complement that, so that's the main meal. So for the desserts, I'm now, because I'm immediately feeling better, you know, I am now just going to have a mental attitude of gratitude and just think of all the things I can be grateful for. That's it. Immediately better. 1 minute. Easy. Have a good day, everybody. Michael out. Woohoo.
Thank you for watching so much, guys. I genuinely really hope it brought a smile to your face and made you laugh a little bit and made you feel a bit warm inside. Because if so, that's mission accomplished, and that's what I'm here to do. Okay, so thank you so much, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Write a comment down below. Tell us if you laughed. Tell us if you didn't. And thank you very much. Yeah. And join me. I'm going to do like a little meditation challenge in the middle of June. I don't know when you're watching this, but this is 2020. In the middle of June, I'm going to do 30 days of 30 minutes meditation, a 20-minute one in the evening and a 10-minute one in the morning. I'm going to set it all up so we all listen to the same thing and we're all doing it together and having a group. So don't forget to join me, subscribe, let us know that you're interested in this as well, and I'll get in touch and we can all just prosper and grow together like a little plant. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, evening, or whatever it is. Bye!
Please like and subscribe to Michael's channel, because 1, he really looks after me, and 2, he is a genuine authentic guy with positive intentions.